Hello scholars, today we are going to start chapter number 4, Practical Geometry. So first we will see the definition of quadrilateral. So a quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon like a square, rectangle or rhombus, and the computer screen you are looking at right now is probably in the shape of a quadrilateral. The most common type of a quadrilateral is the square, but rectangles and rhombus are quadrilaterals too. So now we will see how we can construct a quadrilateral. There are some points, like the first one is when four sides and one diagonal are given. Next is when two diagonals and three sides are given. Next, when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Next is when three sides and two included angles are given. And the last one is when other special properties are given. Then we can draw a quadrilateral. So now see the question number 1 of exercise 4.1. It is construct the following quadrilaterals. First one, quadrilateral ABCD. AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter. CD is equal to 4 centimeter. AD is equal to 6 centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. So let's see the construction. Here scholars, you can see all the four sides of quadrilateral are given. Okay, the four sides are what? AB, BC, CD, DA, and AC is what? Diagonal. Okay, means four side and one diagonal is given. So first we will draw AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Then draw an arc taking radius 5.5 centimeter from point B. Now taking radius 7 centimeter, draw another arc from point A which intersects the first arc at point C. Now join BC and AC. Now draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter from point A and draw another arc of radius 4 centimeter from point C which intersects at D. Now join AD and CD. Now it is a required quadrilateral. Okay, ABCD. Now see the number 2. The quadrilateral name is JUMP. JU is given 3.5 centimeter. UM is given 4 centimeter. MP is given 5 centimeter. PJ is given 4.5 centimeter and PU is given 6.5 centimeter. So the steps are, first we will draw here JU is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter taking center J, and then draw another arc of radius 6.5 centimeter taking US center. Both arcs intersect at P. Okay, now join PJ and PU. Now draw arc of radius 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter taking P and US centers which intersect at M. Now join MP and MU. Now this is a required quadrilateral and the name of the quadrilateral is JUMP. Now see the number 3rd, parallelogram MORE. Here OR is given 6 centimeter, RE is given 4.5 centimeter, EO is given 7.5 centimeter. Means in this question two sides are given and one diagonal is given. So let's see the steps. First we will draw here OR is equal to 6 centimeter. Now draw arcs of radius 7.5 centimeter and radius 4.5 centimeter taking O and R as centers. okay, which intersects at E. Now join OE and RE. Now draw an arc of 6 centimeter radius taking E as center and draw another arc of 4.5 centimeter radius taking O as center which intersects at M. Now join OM and EM. So it is a required parallelogram and the name is MORE. So scholars, your exercise 4.1 completed. Now come to the next exercise 4.2. Construct the following quadrilateral. So number 1, quadrilateral LIFT. So here LI is given 4 centimeter, IF is given 3 centimeter, L is given 2.5 centimeter, LF is given 4.5 centimeter, IT is equal to 4 centimeter. So scholars, first here we will draw what? LI. Okay, LI what? How much? 4 centimeter. Now draw an arc with center I and radius 3 centimeter. Now draw another arc with center L and radius 4.5 centimeter to meet the previous arc at F. Now let's see the steps. So first draw a line segment. LI is equal to 4 centimeter. Now taking radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc taking L as center. Next is draw an arc of 3 centimeter taking I as center which intersect the first arc at F. Okay, now join FI and FL. Now draw another arc of radius 2.5 centimeter taking L as center and 4 centimeter taking I as center which intersect at T. Now join TF, TI. Okay, now this is the required quadrilateral LIFT. Now see the second one, quadrilateral GOLD. OL is given 7.5 centimeter, GL is given 6 centimeter, GD is given 6.6 centimeter, LD is equal to 5 centimeter and OD is equal to 10 centimeter. Now let's see the steps. First draw line segment. OL is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Okay, now draw an arc of radius 5 centimeter taking L as center and another arc of radius 10 centimeter taking O as center which intersect the first arc point at D. Now join LD and OD. Now draw an arc of radius 6 centimeter from D and draw another arc of radius 6 centimeter taking L as center which intersect at G. Now join GT and GO. Now it is a required quadrilateral GOLD. Now see the third one, rhombus BEND. Here BN is equal to 5.6 centimeter and DE is equal to 6.5 centimeter. So let's see the steps. First draw DE is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Okay, and now draw one perpendicular bisector of line segment DE. Now draw two arc of radius 2.8 centimeter from intersection point O which intersects the line KN at B and N. Now join BE, BT as well as ND and NE. So it is a required rhombus BEND. Now scholars, see exercise 4.3. Number 1, construct the following quadrilaterals. So first one is given quadrilateral MORE. So here MO is given 6 centimeter, OR is given 4.5 centimeter, angle M is given 60 degree, angle O is given 105 degree, and angle R is given 105 degree. So let's see the steps. Number 1, first draw a line segment MO is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Now we will draw here one angle, an angle of 105 degree at point O, as vertex R is 4.5 centimeter away from the vertex O. Cut a line segment OR of 4.5 centimeter from this ray. Now again draw an angle of 105 degree at point R. Okay. Now draw an angle of 60 degree at point M. Let this ray meet the previously drawn ray from R at point E. Now MORE is required quadrilateral. See the second one, quadrilateral PLAN. Now see the steps. First, draw a line segment PL is equal to 4 centimeter and draw an angle of 75 degree at point L, as vertex A is 6.5 centimeter away from vertex L. Cut a line segment LA of 6.5 centimeter from this ray. Again draw an angle of 110 degree at point A. Okay. Now draw an angle of 90 degree at point P. This ray will meet the previously drawn ray from A at point N. Now PLAN is the required quadrilateral. Now let's see number 3, parallelogram HEAR. Okay, so now see the steps. First one is draw a line segment HE of 5 centimeter and an angle of 85 degree at point E, as vertex A is 6 centimeter away from vertex E. Cut a line segment EA of 6 centimeter from this ray. Okay. Now vertex R is 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter away from vertex H and A. By taking radius as 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter, draw arcs from point H and A. These will be intersecting each other at point R. Now join R to H and A. So HEAR is the required quadrilateral. Now scholars see exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Construct the following quadrilateral, and the first one is quadrilateral DEAR. So DE is given 4 centimeter, EA is given 5 centimeter, AR is equal to 4.5 centimeter, angle E is equal to 60 degree and angle A is equal to 90 degree. See the steps. Number 1, draw a line segment DE is equal to 4 centimeter and draw an angle E is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Now as vertex A is 5 centimeter away from vertex E, cut a line segment EA of 5 centimeter from this ray. Okay. Now again draw an angle of 90 degree at point A. So as vertex R is 4.5 centimeter away from vertex A, cut a line segment RA of 4.5 centimeter. Okay, from this ray. Now join D to R. So DEAR is the required quadrilateral. See the second one also, quadrilateral TRUE. So TR is given 3.5 centimeter, RU is given 3 centimeter, UE is equal to 4 centimeter, angle R is equal to 75 degree, angle U is equal to 120 degree. So first draw a line segment RU is equal to 3 centimeter and draw an angle U is equal to 120 degree. Okay. Now from U cut an arc of 4 centimeter. Okay. And this intersecting point is E. Now draw an angle of 75 degree at point R, and from R cut an arc of 3.5 centimeter. So that intersecting point is T. Okay. Now join T to E. So TRUE is the required quadrilateral. Now scholars, see the exercise 4.5. Question number 1. The square READ with RE is equal to 5.1 centimeter. So as we know that in a square all the sides are equal, so all the sides should be 5.1 centimeter. Okay, and all the 4 angles is equal to 90 degree. So first draw a line segment RE of 5.1 centimeter and draw an angle of 90 degree at point R and E. Okay, so as vertex A and D are 5.1 centimeter away from vertex E and R, so cut line segment EA and RD, each of 5.1 centimeter from these rays. Now join D to A. So READ is the required square. See the question number 2. A rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 centimeter and 6.2 centimeter long. So let's see the steps. First, draw a line segment AC is equal to 5.2 centimeter and draw its perpendicular bisector. Okay. So let it intersect the line segment AC at point O. Now draw arc of 3.2 centimeter on both sides of this perpendicular bisector. Let the arcs intersect the perpendicular bisector at point B and D. Now join B and D with points A and C. So ABCD is a required rhombus. So now scholars, rest to try to do yourself. So your chapter number 4 completed. For worksheet you can see the link given in the description box. So scholars, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.